आतंक के खिलाफ पूरे विश्व का एकमत होना, एकजुट होना मैं अनिवार्य समझता हूं।
Mr. Narendra Modi is a life member of RSS. The Congress Home Minister gave a statement that in RSS camps, terrorists are being trained. And these terrorists butchered 2,000 Muslims and 150,000 Muslims were made homeless.
हम उस देश के वासी हैं जिसने दुनिया को युद्ध नहीं, बुद्ध दिए हैं।
RSS believed in the ethnic cleansing of Muslims from India. In 2002, do a pogrom against Muslims in Gujarat when he was the chief minister. He allowed 3 days for these RSS goons who were inspired by the Hitler brown shirts. They actually wear brown shirts.
दुनिया में सबसे ज्यादा लोगों ने वोट देकर मुझे और मेरी सरकार को पहले से ज्यादा मजबूत जनादेश दिया।
The election campaign, Mr. Modi used words like, "This is just a trailer. The movie is about to start." I went into Pakistan and taught them a lesson. This was the election campaign.
हमारी आवाज में आतंक के खिलाफ दुनिया को सतर्क करने की गंभीरता भी है और आक्रोश भी।
And it's arrogance that makes people make mistakes and do stupid things. Cruel things like what Narendra Modi has done. When the curfew is lifted, will be a bloodbath. The people will come out. There are 900,000 troops there. They haven't come to, as Narendra Modi says, he's done this for prosperity of Kashmir. This is supposed to be for the development. These 900,000 troops, what are they going to do when they come out? There'll be a bloodbath. Has he thought it through what happens then?
आतंक के नाम पर बटी हुई दुनिया उन सिद्धांतों को ठेस पहुंचाती है जिनके आधार पर यूएन का जन्म हुआ।
I picture myself. I'm in Kashmir. I've been locked up for 55 days. I've heard about, and there are rapes, Indian Army going into homes, soldiers. Would I want to live this humiliation? Would I want to live like that? I would pick up a gun. You're forcing people. You are forcing people into radicalization. When people lose the will to live, what is there to live for?
हम मानते हैं कि ये किसी एक देश की नहीं बल्कि पूरी दुनिया की और मानवता की सबसे बड़ी चुनौतियों में से एक है। आज भी अंतर्राष्ट्रीय समुदाय के लिए यही संदेश है, हार्मनी एंड पीस।
India must lift this inhuman curfew, which has lasted for 55 days. It must free all political prisoners, and especially those 13,000 boys that have been picked up. Parents don't know where they've disappeared.